So now we've got a contact page, and I want to show you how to add a plugin that's going to give us the ability to have a contact form, and it's real simple. So you just go to your WP-admin to get into the and log in to add a plugin, and you'll see plugins. So you're going to click on plugins, and you're going to say I want to add a new plugin, and I know the name of this, and it's called Contact Form 7. Search, and it's going to find something online, and it has a bunch of good stars, which means it's good, and I've used it before. I know it's a good plugin. So I install the plugin, and it goes through the process here, and I click activate, and that's pretty much it. Now you'll notice that this is here, and so all you have to do to add this to your page is just to copy that. This is shortcode, which WordPress uses to kind of keep people away from actual PHP tags, because they get scared when they see that. So we're just going to use this shortcode here. And now that we have that, we just have to find our page. So probably the easiest way is just to go here, contact, click edit, and contact me. You know what? Let's give it an H1 tag and close that H1 tag. Now this is visual, so that's a mistake. I should have known that. And this is HTML. So if we give it a H1 tag, and we go here, we give it a closing H1 tag, and then we just drop in that shortcode. Now that shortcode can be dropped in visual mode or HTML mode. Still will work. And that's it. We update, and if we view our page, we now have a form, and you hit submit. It even has validation. You can style this form, but it's a working form, and it's tied to the email that you used when you signed up, and you can change that if you want by going back to the admin panel and going to settings, general, and in the general there is an email that was added right here. So that's where it's going to go. Joe's going to get an email, and so that's how easy it is to add that. Now one thing I want to look at here is if we go to the contact page or the about page, we have this date there, and we have posted, edit, no comments. I just want edit, and I don't want the date, and I don't want anything else. So I just want the content and then edit below it. So how do I do that? It's very simple to change. Now I'm going to change this on the, I'm looking at home.php. I want to actually page.php. So let's just close these ones here just so that we don't get confused. And so how do we change it? Well, it's real simple. You just want to get rid of the time. So I'm going to get rid of this whole small tag here. Gone. And I want to get rid of the comments. So get rid of that. Now that's a closing paragraph, so I'm just going to go here and get rid of that. So I saved that, and now let's go back and see if it works. So I'm back on the about page. We're going to hit refresh. And now I have about, and then about me, which is doubled. Got to fix that. Contact has the contact form, and contact me. So it's doubled. I got to get rid of that. No problem. Up here I have a link. It's linking. I've got the ID, and then inside the H2 I have a link. I don't need it to be a link because it is where I need it to be. So if I just say, hey, let's get rid of that, and we can get rid of that, so then it just says the title. Let's see what happens there. We're on here, and let's refresh. So now it's just a link. Well, you know what? So we actually can get rid of this here if we want. Save it, get rid of that there. Save it, and view it. Fingers crossed. And now we've got it. Looks good to me, and we're ready to rock and roll. In the next video we're going to add an image up here, show you how easy that is, and we're done.